Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use the Qt Image Control in our Qt QML application and how to use its basics property and how to manipulate the image and display the image in our Qt QML application. So let's start. So first of all we have to add the resources. So now select the add new item and click on Qt and select the resource file. Okay. So now set your resource file name. So let's set the resource and next finish. So you can see the resource file is successfully added. Now let's add the prefix. So set the prefix name icon. Okay. Now select the and add existing files. So you can select your files. Okay. So you can see the file is successfully added in your prefix. Okay. Now here we have to add the or compile our resource with our application. So select use Qt add resource function. First of all we have to pass your application name and then your function name. So let's set this as a resource. So you can see your prefix here is slash. Okay, so this is your prefix and in that prefix you can see your files. So here we have to add your files image slash your file's name. Okay, so add whatever file you want to add with your or compile with your application. So now let's add some just 5 images with your application, compile with our application. So images are successfully added. Okay, now open the QML file and use the image tag. Okay, image control, set the ID my image. Here we have to set the path of our file image file. So you can see the resource. Now let's use this one image, first one image. Okay, now here we have to set the height or width. So set the width and height according the parent. So parent dot width and height is also the parent dot height. Now let's run the application and check it. So just rebuild. And run the application. So you can see image is successfully displayed. Okay, so or you can see the image is successfully stretched with our window. Okay, so currently is the fit in our application. So now let's use some basics property to flip or mirror version of our image. So let's use the mirror. So use the true. So image was flipped horizontally. You can get the mirror image of your mirror version of your image. Okay, so this is the mirror version. You will get the this wrote flip your image word horizontally. So if you want to flip your image vertically, so there is a one property mirror vertically. So you can set as a true. By default those both property has a set as a false. So now here you can see the vertically flipped image. Or if you want to display some specific region of your image, so you can see you can source clip rect. So you can see the Qt rect. So here you have to pass your coordinates. So now let's display the 100 by 100 image. So here you have to pass your specific coordinates of in your image points. Basically is a start x and y point and width and height from point. Which portion you want to show in your application. So you can see the specific region was displayed in our application. So for better understanding, let's use this one image. Now let's run the application and check it. So this is the original image. You can see, let's comment this line. So this is the original image. Okay, so now let's crop there some specific region. So just uncomment this line and set your provide your width and height properties. So let's set the 200 by 200 and check it. So you can see the specific region was get from the image. Okay, so this is the use of this property. There is one more property, is the smooth. So this is the default properties as a true, so you can set as a false. This property uses smoothly rendering your for image here, and there's a one common same like a property is a map. Okay, so this property by default is a false, so you can also set as a true to a better rendering for of your image. It may be costly for your processing time or optimization for. So both property used for the smooth rendering of your image in your application, and maybe it's hard increase your cost for time optimization. Next, another property is the fill mode. So Qt image dot perspective preserve aspect fit. Okay, so this will keep your aspect ratio of your image. So now let's move to image 1, and now let's check the image. Now run the application. So you can see the image was fit, but keep the aspect ratio of your image. Okay, if I didn't use this property, it will automatically stretch your image. One more property is the tile horizontally. So let's use here first of all tile. So you can see that it will repeat the image again and again up to your application size. You can see horizontally and vertically both. So if you want to just tile horizontally, so use tile horizontally to repeat your image horizontally only. So you can see. Or if you want to tile vertically, so you can see use the vertically and run the application and check it. You can see the vertically is repeated your image portion. It means it's vertically tiled. So those are the basic property of your image control in our Qt QML application. So please drop your comment if you have any questions about this image control, your image type in our Qt QML application. And please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.